tayo ng mauupuan guys. So, uy! May mauupuan agad. Sobrang relaxing nitong seaside na to guys. Ayan. Malamig siya today. And ang sarap magkape. Mahangin and wala masyadong araw. Actually, walang araw. Ayan. You want to sit? You'll sit here?
No. It's okay. Sit. I feel check the fire section.
And ito yung labas. Pwede sigurong mag-crabbing dito. Pero wala akong nakikitang crab. Ayan. Malapit din yung isla sa airport. Ang ganda lang. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Pwede kayo mag-picnic dito. Tapos nandito lang ako. This is our station. First stage station. Wala pa naman kaming patient. So, I can go here, sit. Pakita ko muna yung front ng station namin. So, these are small pyramids or hills. I don't know exactly the exact number of hills that was built here. But sobrang dami siya. And there are also Alam nyo guys, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam pag nandito talaga kayo. And kung may bahay lang ako, gusto ipatayo dyan. No? Gusto ko ipatayo dyan. At dito ako tatayo ng bahay ko. Yan. Tapos maglalagay ako ng mga bangka ko doon. Look at that view. Oh. And kung makikita niyo yung bridge guys, papunta yan siya ng entrance. So, yung guest, if they have cars, they can park there. Ayun. They have to go there to the bridge going here. Marami rin kasing ginawang islands tong Abu Dhabi. So, there's another island here there. Hindi ko lang alam kung Somalia ba yan. Anong island? Basta before nung mag-Somalia ako, nakikita ko talaga tong mga hills na to. Itong Fahid Island. Tingnan naman natin yung distraction na mga hills. Masyado kasing maalikabok guys, kaya hindi ko masyadong malapitan. Pwede naman lumapit pero sobrang hindi siya advisable. Wala kang proper gear to go there. So, yan lang muna. Balik muna tayo sa seaside. Kasi ito yung pinaka-favorite kong place to stay. Yes, the sea view.